Hi guys, today I will show you the accessory to this Philips one blade shaver. So really cool. So 14 length comb for Philips one blade. So I'll try. So just remove the from the box. So nothing else inside. So it's this one. So this one you can adjust the length. So just turning this one. You see it's moving. Then just as short as, so try to install it here. So just open this one. So normally it's locked like that. Open, then probably like this way, then close. Yeah. So now, so you can adjust the distance. So that's the blade. So you have a gap in between. Then you can make it longer. Away from the blade. But the shortest one is still a bit away. Yeah. Okay. So that's cool. Okay, thank you for watching.